What's up, everybody? This is Anthony Merriweather out in beautiful Mishawaka, the manager of the Kalamazoo and Portage CPR Genius locations. We're coming to you today on this Tech Tuesday to talk to you about parental control. No, not really. More like safety for your kids. So today we're talking about the Bark app. One of the cool things about Bark is the fact that it's an application that's both, one, very inexpensive. You get your first month free. Any months after that's only $9 a month. Number two, the fact that it is very, very easy to install and to use. So how it works is you install it on your own phone and you install it on your kid's phone, and using the two apps in conjunction, you can control what's happening with your kids. Not necessarily policing them, just making sure they keep it safe. The internet can be a strange and dangerous place, and we all know that our kids mean the world to us. So the Bark app also allows you to do a couple things that are very interesting. One of them is monitoring communication with other people and the internet itself, knowing what they're browsing, how they're doing it, but furthermore, what kinds of conversations they're having with other people. Bark will only let you know when things are in a position that you may want to intervene as a parent. So that being anywhere from depression to your kids doing things they shouldn't do to law breaking to you name it. Many things they can get into. You're allowed to have an eye on that and keep an eye on your kids. Number three is the fact that you also have the ability to use check-ins on the app. Now, how check-in works is it allows you to, if your kid hasn't checked in a long while and you're wondering where they're at, you can simply go into the app, navigate to the check-in screen. The single button tap, it'll ask you if you want to know where your kid is. And once it notifies them or notifies you, it finds their exact location and sends it to your phone so you know that they're safe and sound. Furthermore, the kid, if they're proactive and they want to let you know where they are without having to send too many text messages back and forth, they can simply hit one button and it notifies you as well. Once again, I'm Anthony Merriweather from the Kalamazoo Portage store here in Mishawaka, letting you know about Bark, and have a safe day.